Welcome to Car Cloud. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory. This isn't just another Superbike update. It's a statement of precision, speed, and racing excellence. More advanced, more aerodynamic, and more exhilarating than ever, the 2026 RSV4 Factory continues to represent Aprilia's championship-winning engineering and innovation. Design and aesthetics. From the first glance, the 2026 RSV4 Factory commands attention. Its aerodynamic winglets, sculpted fairings, premium finishes, lightweight components, and aggressive LED lighting create a striking presence inspired by MotoGP performance. Performance and powertrain. Powered by Aprilia's renowned V4 engine, the RSV4 Factory delivers explosive acceleration, razor-sharp throttle response, refined electronics, and race-developed suspension for exceptional stability and precision on both road and track. Safety and technology. Advanced rider aids include cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine brake management, multiple ride modes, and a high-resolution TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Conclusion. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory sets a new standard for superbike performance by combining cutting-edge technology with uncompromising racing heritage. Stay connected with Car Cloud for the latest motorcycle reveals and innovations shaping the future.